Don't wait for money to be happy. Happiness is free and you could turn it on at will. Try this 5-minute smile therapy meditation. Experts say that smiles, even fake smiles, can generate inner happiness and release feel-good hormones. Look up smile therapy. Meditation can help with pain and depression. This meditation is a combination of breathing and mindfulness meditation and smile therapy. Relax in a quiet place, focus on your breathing and nothing else. Inhale, exhale, count your breaths up to 10, and then back down to 1, and back up to 10, and so on. If you don't like to count, think about a happy time in your life. I like to think of the beach or a sunset. Smile while meditating, and keep the fake smile on for the duration of your meditation. The Torah sages say that Simcha, or happiness, positivity, can heal a person from disease. Simcha is a state of mind used by biblical prophets to achieve prophecy. Try this meditation regularly, or if you're having trouble sleeping, or if you're having anxiety episodes. If you practice, you could turn it on at will. The point is to focus away from your pain, troubles, and difficulties. By focusing away from overthinking, what is left is your natural state of healing and positivity. Happiness is a mental muscle and you need to practice regularly. After much practice, you will be able to feel ecstatic during your meditation. If you're having trouble with the smile, try a pencil in your mouth, like this. Try a pencil in your mouth. Happy meditation. Tell me how your meditation and healing is going in the comments below. And remember, turn off the bad news. Keep smiling and stay positive.